And what is up, guys? Today it's gonna be another video. Wait, I did not mean to get on. Now today it's gonna be another video, and it's Super Smash Bros. Today I actually just made the Fortnite videos. Like I made 2 or 3, I'm not sure. Just made some videos. Oh yeah, it's more bad. I thought it was just black. You can collect platinum points. Okay. Why? Because I have membership? Oh no. I'm gonna be tag team. How about yes? Okay, so wait, I'm gonna go random, and I land on. Wait, I'll go random again, and do. Wait, so it's most likely on the Pokemon League, so gonna do that. So my younger brother is playing. Say hi, Alex. Hi. So yeah, he is playing. He's actually really good. So if you see him go good and go nuts, that's because he's actually really good. You're getting all the OG guys, Alex. Oh, this guy's better. Oh no! Orange and orange.
Yes, I can be ordered these spots.
Oh, I bet you on it. Wait, what just happened? Wait. Okay, so we're gonna have to restart this all. Wait, how do I get out of this? I'm gonna do this, so... Okay, so we're gonna have to get out. I'm back on the Unva Pokemon League.
I got the order of the guys.
I don't think so.
Okay.
You said you were in. I tricked ya. Let's go Pokemon Trainer. With that. Charizard.
I got Snake.
Okay, don't give me
Snake.
Okay, just come on, let's wrap this up, because we gotta get this started. Okay, choose a guy. Choose one more guy. You gotta choose one more guy. You can choose Red Ninja, that's sick looking. I promise you that's sick. Be Red Ninja, I promise you it's sick. Okay, here we go. Wait, Alex, you just like, hey. Took us forever just to get our guys. Okay, come on, let me teach you. So your first thing Come on. Start. Wait, so it's Incineroar versus Greninja? Ah! Boom! I'm Incineroar, guys, and my brother's Greninja. Okay, you don't mess with me. You don't mess with me? Funny one. You dog water. That's sad. I'm actually losing against a 4-year-old. That's big time sad. I'm dog water. Even though I got all the guys by myself. He could beat new foes, and I can too. Bro, what just happened? Come on. Freak. Yes, yes, thank God. That only ripped off me. I was so close to falling. That ain't fair. Like, oh, okay, that was a small trap. What do I care? I'm trapping you now, Snake. Snake, you trash. Come on, Snake. Snake, do your move as much as you want. Boom, see? Told you. You don't mess with me. And my teammate. He goes, she take me. Okay, try. Oh, bruh. Shite, you try. You try with your little hammer. Oh, your umbrella. No, why am I frozen but you're not? Ain't fair. Oh, it's Resurrection's in the room. Oh, bruh. Oh, okay. No, not cool. Not fun. That is not fun. Now let my Lucario show you what to do. It shows you that you do not belong here. Lucario's the best Pokemon ever. You dare rip off me. I just kicked you off there. Bro, I told you Lucario's the best Pokemon ever. No, and you're right close to me. Yeah. Bah, you're right close to me. Now I'm showing you Mewtwo power. You mess with me for real. You think I'm joking? I'm not joking like impractical jokers. They're joking around. And I'm not. Why am I freaking Fox? Okay, Alex is... So I go to my second guy, and you're on your last guy, and I'm losing by a 3-year-old. Well, I'm actually winning by a 3-year-old. Yeah. Yay! So I won that battle. Mewtwo, you won again. Thank you, Mewtwo. Okay, let's start now. Oh, so you want to do random, huh? Okay, no, 3 guys. Because it got to... Okay, and I want it to be a Pokemon battle. So make it a Pokemon battle. And you all have to be classics. So you got Mewtwo. So the good guys is Mewtwo. I don't know. I'm being with Lucario. I don't know. You got That looks exactly like normal. Just beat that one. That looks exactly like normal. Exactly. Only that skin is like this much darker. It looks exactly like normal. Please just start the match. Fine, just choose your own guys. Choose your own guys. You don't have to be Pokemon. Mewtwo. Mewtwo's right there.
Oh.
No! Okay, click it back. Bro, why did he get to beat Bayonetta?
Because I want to know and who did it. Once right, Bayonetta.
Yeah, oh, so it's a book battle now. Book battle? Okay. Oh, so you're saying Bayonetta versus Cinnamon. For real. Come close, little eye guy. Buh, what's up with you, man? What's up with you, bruh? What's up with you? And I mean it, what is up with you, man? No. Go to the top. Go to the top. And I mean go to the top to find the level. Guys, please like this channel. Please subscribe. I try to make my best videos. I try to make them as good so you can like them. I make the Fortnite. So far I made Legends of Speed, Roblox, Super Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros. So, and I almost made an Among Us one, but I couldn't make an Among Us one. That was my power move. That's it. Okay.
That was my devil.
Pause the video. Okay, we still got 3 minutes.
That was my 10th cupcake video.
Boom! Okay, we're tied. And now we're not. Your move is good, actually. I mean it. Surprise attack! Wait, I actually had a surprise attack move going on. Boom! Bro, that was my surprise attack move. That was what I was trying to do. Ninja. But what's up with you? Bro, I was so close before I got the edge. You were too, I swear. Okay, here we go. 2 more minutes. No! Okay, let's go.
Mr. Me! Oh,
dear. How dare you, dear.
I gotta stay quiet. So I'm not gonna...
1 more minute left, guys. 1 more. And I'm still Greninja. And I'm beating Lucario up. Okay, come on, let's go up. Go up. Oh, come on, just go. Oh, I was so close to fall. I was so close to dying, I swear. No, go up again. Go up, I want to fight you up. It's war! No! That was some big time war. Bro, I'm flipping you Lucario, and I had Greninja. You're tiny. Okay. And that is all for today. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you soon. Please like,